It's a certified 2017 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. It comes with great features you'll love. Automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rear view mirror, heated steering wheel, power heated mirrors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. Car and Driver points out, the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Cleo Bay Honda is one of the premier Honda dealers. We're conveniently located at 3907 East Centex Expressway in Killeen, Texas.